signature presentation.
Very good. Very organized.
What was that?
I may have to put up a fight. Frightened elephant can be very dangerous.
Oh my god!
Baker, what was that?
Wow, the walls are moving.
Oh, right, the walls are moving!
What?
Dios mío.
What is that?
We're running out of time!
Must leave now.
Take a bite!
Oh no.
What was that?
That's just the sound of my heart. Can't you hear it?
You were saying?
Oh no! It can't.
This entire jungle is a house of death!
There, that better?
That seems to have worked. Do I smell peanuts?
Still think it could be worse?
You are so busted.
Oh my.
Yeah, ready when you are.
You okay, Bill? That ground's pretty hard.
Whoa! Yeah! Who's up for round 2?
Oh! Fenwick, no.
Look at that!
Are you seeing what I'm seeing?
Wow, this guy looks nothing like his statue.
Our eggs!
Oh, wait. Here's a good spot.
Okay, we're good. Go back to work.
Oh, snap.
Turn it up! Turn it up!